You don't want to have an accident and then find out, oh, I should have had my winter tires. It's cheaper to have winter tires than to find out you hit a wall now. This is a public service announcement, and we're approaching winter for all of us that are living in Canada. Now, as you know, when winter hits, all your tires better have that great grip. Because there's nothing worse than you having that all season, all summer, all weather tire and it's worn down. Winter is the one thing you can't play with when it comes to your car. Most of us go from the house, drive our cars, go to work, drive our car, come back home. We spend so much time on our car. Nobody walks in the winter. Now, you need to have your winter tires ready before winter hits. Because that first day snow falls, a lot of cars are going to be swinging left and right. You have no grip, let alone it's a surprise. You've been enjoying summer, driving however you wanted to drive, but when winter hits, you better be ready. Get your winter tires done. See, in this picture I show you all season, all weather, summer and winter. See, all weather and all season kind of similar, you know, but winter tire is rated for winter. If you're trying to drive in the winter, and especially if you're new to Canada, and I know most of my followers are usually new to Canada, so you're not used to the driving here, you better get that winter tire no matter how much it costs. You can get the cheapest winter tire and you'll be safe. Just get you some winter tires. You don't want to find out, you don't want to have an accident and then find out, oh, I should have had my winter tires. It's cheaper to have winter tires than to find out you hit a wall now. Stay safe out here.